With today's DIY session, we are going to take this motherboard here, which doesn't have a dedicated graphics card slot, and we're also going to take a PCI Express graphics card and convert the latter so it is compatible with this motherboard. This is going to involve some pretty complex electronics, so be sure to watch closely if you are contemplating doing a similar exercise. The first thing that we need to do is accurately map out the pins we no longer need. There are 3 pins just above the notch in the motherboard's PCI slot and a few pins at the end that we need to remove. This will enable the card to fit in this PCI slot. So we've got the graphics card sitting securely in this rig, so what we now want to do is really carefully get rid of these pins that I've blacked out here. So what we're going to do is grab a pair of the appropriate tool and just hasn't quite got it. My last rig wasn't quite strong enough, so what I've done is I've clamped it to the side of my desk, my workbench here, and now we've got this done. We're just going to just go in here and as you can see, this graphics card now snugly fits within the motherboard's PCI slot. So before we turn this on, we're just going to take a few extra safety precautions and show you what is going to happen.